I go back to December to say that I'll change my whole mind. I go back to December all the time. I miss your fancy, your sweet smile, so good to me, so right. And how you held me in your arms on September night, the first time you ever saw me cry. Maybe this is wishful thinking, probably my best dreaming. If you love again, I say I love you right. I go back in time and change it, but I can't. So if the change is on your door, I understand.